Welcome, everybody, to the weekly agenda for Biblical Traditions, week of 216. So what will you be learning this week? Last week, I introduced you to orientation, disorientation, new orientation. Those are three basic experiences that undergird the lion's share of the psalmody. So this week, we will look a little bit closer at how, within those basic experiences of orientation, disorientation, new orientation, how they give witness to God, or where they experience God in the experience of orientation, disorientation, new orientation. And those are the terms that I have right there: creation, Torah, personal, communal, thanksgiving, and praise. So when people are feeling the experience of orientation, a satisfied season of well-being that evokes gratitude for the consistency of blessing, in other words, when they're feeling happiness, joy, delight, contentment, safety, and freedom, in a creation psalm, they say, oh, God's good creation. This is God's way of blessing me. So they see God as a creator God who loves humanity and wants them to be blessed. And so it provides abundantly through creation. So we'll look at their understanding of God based on these experiences in all 6 of these Psalms. So last week I didn't get this done, but I'll finally pass out the Psalm worksheet. And this is a worksheet that will go through and you'll look up some Psalms and sort of write about them. And this will be due Tuesday of next week. The Psalm project will be assigned this week. It'll be due Friday of next week. And the Psalm essay will be assigned this week and due Friday of next week as well. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow in school. Have a good day.